Hello and welcome. I am Hamida Rebai, a principal solution architect and digital transformation architect. Today's session, we will explore how cloud transformation is redefining the way businesses operate, making them more agile, efficient, and competitive. We will look closely at the roles of Microsoft Azure, Docker, and AI, and how these technologies works together to drive innovation, modernize infrastructure, and support smart scalable systems. Let's start now. So we will begin with an introduction to cloud transformation, covering its definition, importance, and benefits. Next, we will delve into how Microsoft Azure plays a crucial role in this transformation. We will also explore Docker for containerization and deployment, followed by integration of AI to enhance cloud capabilities. Finally, we will discuss the challenges and best practices associated with cloud transformation. Cloud transformation is a fundamental shift in how businesses operate, moving from traditional IT infrastructure to cloud based solutions. This transition is crucial for driving innovation and efficiency in modern enterprises. So, cloud transformation involves migrating IT services, applications, and infrastructure to cloud based platforms to enhance efficiency and flexibility. This is the definition of why we move to the cloud. It's more than just a technical shift, it's a strategic enabler for digital business. One major benefit is organizational agility. By leveraging cloud technologies, companies can respond to market changes more swiftly and deploy new features fastly. It also supports cost reduction with less reliance on physical infrastructure and reduced maintenance overhead. Businesses can optimize spending and pay only for what they use. Lastly, scalability is a game changer. Cloud infrastructure allows services to expand and train on demand, so organizations don't need to invest heavily upfront in hardware or provisioning. This transformation sets the stage for modern innovation, making businesses more competitive and responsive in a fast changing world. So, why cloud transformation now? Well, we talk about that now. Now, cloud transformation isn't optional, is it is really essential. We don't think to move or not move. It's a requirement to move, a requirement of the transformation. Businesses face mounting pressure to innovate faster, scale smarter, and stay resilient in a digital first world. So we have market drivers because demand for cloud native apps is surging as organizations embrace hybrid and multi cloud environments, now the norm, not the exception. Speeds to market is measured in hours, not months. So AI, machine learning, and big data require scalable cloud based infrastructure. Traditional system can't keep up. And we have moved from monolithic to microservices and now to serverless and AI driven apps. Infrastructure has followed suite evolving from an on premises to infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and now we talk about multi-cloud and service mesh architecture. So cloud is no longer just an IT upgrade, it's the backbone of modern business. Transformation today means competitive edge tomorrow. Cloud adoption is being driven by several strategic priorities. First, operational efficiency, because cloud platforms help organizations eliminate redundancies, reduce manual effort, and optimize processes through automation. This leads to faster service delivery and lower operational costs. Second, enhanced collaboration. Cloud services break down silos. Teams can collaborate across geographies with shared tools, real time updates, and centralized data access. This is especially crucial in today's hybrid work environments. And finally, again and again, scalability because cloud environments offer unmatched flexibility. As business needs grow or shrink, the cloud enables seamless scaling of computer storage or application. This ensures performance and cost efficiency at every stage of growth. So, cloud transformation bring tangible benefits across every layer of the business. So, it enhances flexibility and scalability because businesses can quickly scale up during peak demand or scale down during slower periods, all without investing in new hardware. This responsiveness is vital in today's fast paced markets. Second, there is a major financial advantage. Here we talk about cost efficiency. The cloud reduces the need for costly physical server and ongoing maintenance. With usage based pricing, you only pay what you consume. And security capabilities of major cloud providers often exceed those of traditional IT environments. Now let's move to talk about a cloud provider, Microsoft Azure. It can be any other provider. In our case, we will talk more about Azure. So, Azure provides a comprehensive set of cloud services that support organizations in their transformation journey. Its offering cater to various needs from infrastructure to application developments. So we have a wide range of services, including computing, storage, databases, and networking. All these services can be easily integrated to meet specific business requirements and enhance operational capabilities. So we have infrastructure as a service and we have platform as a services. So infrastructure as a service, if you need to have your own infrastructure, to build your own infrastructure with a provider, which means that you need to create virtual machines, you need storage, networking. So you have pay as you go basis. For platform as a service, it goes one step further by providing ready-made development and deployment environments because I don't care about infrastructure. I need just to deploy my application as a developer. So I focus purely on writing code and deploying application without thinking about maintaining server or patching middlewares. So to understand these models, it's really fundamental to move to the cloud transformation. Let's take a look at real businesses have benefits from adopting Azure. So, in terms of operational efficiency, many organizations have replaced rigid legacy system with Azure-based solution, automating key processes and improving infrastructure reliability. I give an example: migrating to Azure virtual machines, or just simple use Azure Logic apps for process automation. This can help companies to reduce costs and increase responsiveness. So Azure is a driver of innovation. Whether it's through Azure AI, machine learning services, or container based app development with Azure Kubernetes Service, companies are using the platform to launch new products and features quickly. This agility helps them stay competitive in fast changing industry. And now let's talk about Docker, that is a leading platform for containerization and allowing developers to package applications and their dependencies into containers. This integration enhances the efficiency of cloud deployment. Let's discover that. So, what is Docker? Docker here comes to simplify the development and the deployment of applications by using containers that can run anywhere. It's portable. This ensures consistency across different environments, streamlining the development and deployment process. What is containerization? So, containerization is an approach to software development in which an application or service, its dependencies, and its configuration are packaged together as a container image. And the containerization application can be tested as a unit and deployed as a container image instance to the host operating system. It can be Linux and Windows. Here, we will see that we have a lot of benefits of Docker because it's a game changer for cloud environment. All cloud providers include and support, let's say, Docker. Because we have resource utilization is far superior, and Docker drastically improves application delivery. It makes really scaling more simple and enhances operational efficiency. So fewer compatibility issues, faster updates, and easy management of microservices architecture will lead to smoother operations and reduced downtime. So Docker is integrated with all cloud provider. Let's say the major, most of cloud provider, including Azure. So they work hand in hand to provide a powerful platform for modern cloud native applications. So the seamless integration we have between Docker and Azure services allows teams to deploy container effortlessly. Whether you are using Azure Container Instance for quick workloads or Azure Kubernetes Service for orchestration at scale, Docker images can be pulled and deployed directly into Azure environments. We have also the integration enhances the entire deployment lifecycle from development to deployment. So developer can build containers locally, push them to Azure Container Registry, and deploy them automatically through CI/CD tools like GitHub Actions or Azure DevOps or any other tools. This ensures consistency across development, staging, and production environments. So Azure provides a robust platform for deploying AI applications, and here we will see which application and which services we are able to use with Azure. So we have machine learning, Azure Functions, and Azure Kubernetes Service. These tools facilitate the deployment and management of AI applications in the cloud, and you are able to create your application, containerize your application, and use your models, your AI models with Docker, deploy them in Azure, use also Azure AI services, for example. So you are able really to use both of them. To conclude, let's bring together the key takeaways from these sessions. So we have cloud transformation. We talked about strategic imperative here. We have Azure. We have Docker. We have our AI. We can create your models and deploy them in Azure. You can use the Azure services in your application to be able to consume the different services in Azure. If you have any question, you can join me. Thank you for being today in the session.